Hi there! Can you believe that we are a year on since I started making my doll's house renovations? So last year I bought this doll's house second hand from the local recycling centre and I decided to take it back to the Tudor era, and a year on from there this is what it looks like. If you've not been watching my previous videos, every bit of the renovation has been documented on my YouTube channel, so please do go and have a look. But today I want to try and edit these carrots. Is edit the right word? Edit's not the right word. Redo these carrots? What's the word? Improve these carrots. So, these little miniature carrots are made out of polymer clay, and when I did the tops of the carrots I wasn't pleased with them. And today is the day that I am going to transform my carrots to make them look more realistic. Hopefully. So, first things first. The polymer clay tops for me are too chunky. They don't look nice and organic and realistic. I'm pleased with the actual carrots. Some of them are a little bit darker because they're muddy. If you'd like to see how I made these carrots, the video is earlier on in my playlist, so I will link it at the top. In this pot I have collected some moss from my garden. Do you like the pot? I got it from Portugal. So my lawn is full of moss, which is something that I need to sort out over the summer. If you'd like to see any garden videos, please do let me know, because I know some people have sometimes shown an interest in my garden. So a while ago I collected some moss and I've let it dry out. So I've decided that this will be perfect for carrot tops that look a little bit more realistic. So I started by choosing the pieces that I thought had the nicest shape. That's going to look a lot nicer, isn't it? So I gently snapped off these carrot tops. These bits can go into the bin. They came off really easily, thankfully. By the way, I'm posting this video on a Monday, and I know that I normally post videos on a Wednesday, but I've got a little bit out of sync recently. So I've decided that actually I'm probably going to post them on all different days now. So please do hit the little bell button, because that will give you notifications when I've posted a video, because I know there's some people that do tune in each Wednesday to have a look to see if I've uploaded a video. So thank you so much for your support and your commitment to the channel. But if you press the little bell, hopefully that means that you won't miss any videos if I post them on a day other than a Wednesday. So I just used my Yoo-hoo glue to gently glue this bit of moss onto the carrot. I use the tiniest bit of glue because I don't want it to be visible. And already I just think that looks so much better. It was a nice, quick and simple job, and I don't know why I didn't do it earlier. I feel like I'm coming to the end of my doll's house renovations for my Tudor doll's house, but I do have 2 other doll's houses and a miniature shop all to redo. So I am thinking that I might start them soon. However, in my Tudor doll's house, there is one thing left that I would really like to show you. I say one thing, I'm still going to make a couple of other items as well, but there's one thing that I really want to show you that's actually already finished. I've just not shown you it yet. But I'm thinking I might wait until I've got 2,000 subscribers and post that video as a little bit of a celebration, because it's something that I'm so excited to show you. I don't have Facebook, I do have Instagram, but I don't really share these videos anywhere, so if you do want to share them, that would be amazing. So I'm so grateful for all of you that have already hit subscribe. Thank you so much. To hold the moss gently in place until it had stuck down enough to not fall off when I put it down. That's why I love this glue, because it's nice and tacky from the start, it holds into place quickly and it dries quickly, but not so quickly that you can't move your pieces around if you've positioned them incorrectly. I'm so pleased with how these carrots have now turned out. For one of my next videos, I'm hoping to make a miniature chicken. I am really thinking hard about how to make realistic looking miniature feathers. Any suggestions, please do let me know. I want them to look fluffy, so I'm thinking not polymer clay, they'd be too hard. Yeah, it's something that I've been thinking about for a long time, but I've still not really got an idea of how to make them. But I am hoping that's going to be one of my videos soon. Ta-da! Muddy miniature carrots. It's time to pop them back in the basket and back into the doll's house. Not all of the carrots have carrot tops on them. Some of them have had their mud scrubbed off and their carrot tops chopped off and they're ready to eat. Obviously these are not edible. Please do not try and eat polymer clay carrots. I'll pop a few into my little sack of carrots. And time to put them back in the doll's house. When I make my miniature chicken and want to put it in the kitchen, I like to think that some of the animals living around the Tudor house might just come into the kitchen every now and again. I don't know, is that silly? But I've got a little pot of eggs that I'd like to put on the table, so I thought a chicken would be nice to go with them. I also need to put something in my sink, so any suggestions of what to put in my sink, please do let me know. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I hope to see you soon.